All right, here's another example looking at scent versus the effect that scent may have on learning. So the Smell and Taste Treatment and Research Foundation conducted a study to investigate whether smell can affect learning. Subjects completed mazes multiple times while wearing masks. They completed the pencil and paper mazes 3 times wearing floral scented masks and 3 times with unscented masks. Participants were assigned at random to wear the floral mask during the first 3 trials or during the last 3 trials. For each trial, researchers recorded the time it took to complete the maze and the subject's impression of the mask's scent, positive, negative, or neutral. So, first question regarding the study, describe the explanatory and the response variables in this study. So the explanatory variable was the one that we were controlling. So we were controlling scent. The response variable is the time it takes to complete the maze. So we're controlling scent, and then we're recording the effect of time. What are the treatments? So treatment 1 is a floral scented mask. Treatment 2 is an unscented mask. Identify any lurking variables that could interfere with this study. Well, let's see here. Random assignment of treatments eliminates the problem of lurking variables. Let's see here. All subjects got both treatments. The order of treatments were randomly assigned, so there are no difference between the treatment groups. Let's see here. So, all of these are okay. Identify any lurking variables that can interfere with this study. Well, random assignment isn't going to interfere with the study. So, yeah, because you're using an unscented mask versus a scented mask, well, here's a lurking variable, allergies. Right? Because it is a floral scent. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, if I smell like a really strong floral candle, that actually can kick on my allergies. And, instead of the floral scent being something pleasant, um, you know, that could actually be negative. But you know what? They did control for that, didn't they? Because they asked for the subject's impression of the mask's scent to be negative or positive or neutral. So if I did that and I had allergies, I would label that as being negative. Okay, so they controlled that. What could be some other variables here that maybe they did not consider? Dealing with paper and pencil mazes, floral scented masks. Yeah, it looks like they covered their bases pretty well for lurking variables, but let me know if you think of something. So I think they kind of controlled for that. Okay. Is it possible to use blinding in this study? Well, as far as the experimental units are concerned, they're going to know whether they smell flowers or not. So subjects cannot be blinded in this study. Now, researchers that are timing the mazes can be blinded, not knowing which mask is worn by which subject. So you can't do double blinding, but you could blind the researchers, which could help. Okay. Well, that ends this example. Let me know if you have any questions.